Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Allure beauty box for June. You want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so today my Allure beauty box just arrived and I am so excited to see what is in here. We do get an email that says the spoilers, and this time I actually did not look, which is so surprising, especially for me. But I didn't actually look. I'm like, I'll wait till my box comes, but thank you. So let's go ahead and cut the tape and get into this and see what we have. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I really hope you do. We can always hope for the best, right? Here is the box. And is that another dry shampoo? It seems like everybody is giving out this dry shampoo again. It's like they go on little, that's like their thing. Like there'll be a few months where all you get is dry shampoo, and then you go a few months without it, and then you get a few months where you get all kinds of dry shampoo again. So let's see, this guy is SGY, or is it SGY? No, SGX NYC. The Do It All 3-in-1 Dry Texture Volume, Refresh, and Hold Dry Shampoo meets Hairspray. So this is like a dry shampoo hairspray. I'm not quite sure, but there is the packaging right there. And this is actually showcased on the back of their magazine. Here is the front of their magazine. And it sells, let's see here. Now, like I tell you guys, I don't like really reading the stuff inside here because they don't talk solely about the product. It's like somebody's opinion of the product. And so I don't really like reading that. But let me see what the full size would have been though on that particular item. So is it an extra that they threw in? Because I don't see it on the, I wonder if that's an extra that they threw in, because I don't see it listed on the inside. I only see it on the outside, on the back package, and the back package does not have pricing or anything on it. Inside the magazine, unless there's pages stuck together, which is not, it's not inside. So that just must be an extra. So then I'm not mad at it. You go ahead, you can send me an extra, because I'll put this either in the giveaway pile for one of you guys or in my donation pile to donate to the women's shelter at the end of the year. So it'll go to somebody who will use it. So now it looks like our bag is green this month, and they still are doing the, they didn't even put it all the way in. They have the little flap instead of the snap now. So let's go ahead and get all of these products out and see what we got this month. So this is just the bag, and I always hear some people get them that are like completely broken open, and I haven't, knock on wood, not yet anyway. This one is still good to go. So let's go ahead and go with the first one that just rolled out. Moroccan oil treatment. So there is the first item right there, and that I did see in here. So the full size is $44. This is nowhere near the full size whatsoever. But this particular guy, it says how to use: apply a small amount throughout damp or dry hair, style as usual. Okay, so it's just like an oil you put on your hair to probably keep the frizz and all of that good stuff down. So that's cool. I will definitely try that. Some of those kind of make my hair oily, so a lot of them I don't use, but since that's a small sample, I'll go ahead and try it out and see what it does. This says Contex Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream. Okay, so we have an eye cream. I have so many eye creams that I haven't even opened yet, you guys. The full size on this product right here would be $35. And let's see here. Is there directions? Not for resale. And it actually says not for sale. Not even not for resale, not for sale. Vitamin C all day eye cream. Okay, so we have an eye cream. So there is the second item. The third item says Floss, my new favorite lip gloss. Floss, my new favorite lip gloss. $16. And I would assume this is a full size, being a lip gloss, because they don't really do like, unless it's tiny, and it's not. So I would say that this is the full size, which is $16. And Allure, if you don't know, is $15 a month. So basically, and if you sign up with my code down below, I think you get your first month for $10. So this is more than the entire box alone, because this is actually a full size product. So it says my new favorite lip gloss, Allure, right on top. That's kind of pretty packaging. I like how it's clear and you can see how much you have left. It smells like cake batter, you guys. That literally smells like cake batter. It feels nice. So that's cool. You can pop this in your purse if you want, your desk, you can put it wherever. I mean, it's a cool little design. So we have a lip gloss. Now, flouse. Now we have the Brow Gal. And I think we've gotten a product, by another Brow Gal product in this box before. This looks like it has, okay, so one end has a spoolie, and then the other end has the pencil that you, and then it has a built-in sharpener in the lid. It's a cool design with the built-in sharpener. I give them that. So you can just sharpen it in the lid, and then it's like a one-stop shop tool situation here, which I think that is actually really neat. This is valued at $23. So $23, and you have both ends. Let me see what color this, ooh, it's kind of hard and it's kind of dark, but there is the color. So there we go. I mean, that's about my color. I can't really see what I'm doing where I'm at, but you know. I don't know what the heck I'm doing. I can't see. I like the little spoolie, it feels nice. So there we have it. So this product I'm actually really excited about so far, and that's way over the cost of the box. So that's really cool. Next, the last item is a thermal spring water. What? Spring water? Okay. And I can't see the directions based on how they have like this little, there's like a pamphlet paper that's inside of that packaging. It's all plastic wrapped. So I'm gonna have to kind of see what this says. The full size for this product would be $18.50. This hydrating facial mist will be in my purse from now until Labor Day. It takes, see, they talk about their own personal stuff. But so this is a hydrating mist. That's what I needed to know. What are you? It says, it's great for soothing hot, irritated skin, AKA my face all summer long. This can is filled with thermal spring water, hence the name. The water there is naturally rich in minerals to help nourish sensitive skin like mine. So again, they talk about their own personal experiences with the product instead of what the product actually does. But it says soothing and softening right on the front of the package. So this I'll probably put in a future giveaway just because I have so many types of setting sprays and face mist that I don't even use, that this is just gonna be one of those that's gonna sit there and I'm probably not going to use it. So I'd rather send this to somebody who will. So I'll go ahead and put that in a future giveaway. So that is everything for this month's box, you guys. What did you think? We got a water spray in a can. We have this Brow Gal, which I think this is a really cool and unique design with the built-in sharpener and the built-in spoolie on the end. That I do like, and you can sharpen it so you can use the entire thing. So that I really like. This flouse little dabble do ya lip gloss. It smells really good and it feels good. So, and I'm glad that it's just a clear standard lip gloss. So I like that. Then we have the eye cream, which I have so many eye creams, and there's not a safety seal or anything on that one. That's how it came. Okay. And then we have the Moroccan oil hair treatment. And then this, which is I think an additive bonus because it's not listed in the main book. So I think this was just a little bonus trial for us. So that's cool. A lot of people do like dry shampoo. So this will definitely go to somebody who will use it. So that is everything that I have for this month. June's Allure. Did you like this month? Did you get this month? Did you have the same variation? Did you have different ones? Have you seen others that have different things? Like, what do you know? What did you do? What'd you get? Let me know. So that is everything, you guys. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would greatly appreciate it. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.